What's good, y'all? It's your girl Rain Dollars and welcome back to Dollars Menu. So today on the menu I have all my cousins. We're in VA and we're about to do a gingerbread house, mansion, luxury condo apartment contest. Oh my god.
Smiling.
So we're gonna do teams, and then the baby is gonna pick who does best.
Oh no!
Stop. Sugar coated gingerbread house.
So these
Walmart
are special,
exclusive.
right? Exclusive.
I thought we talked about
Field decorating bag with white icing. What? Oh.
the bags are inside of there. What's this?
That is the blue icing for the house, in the front of the house.
That's after you put on the white. It says something about.
Okay, so what's first?
I probably shouldn't really be talking to the competition.
What's that?
Probably shouldn't be talking to the competition.
Is that how you feel?
Guess you better figure out who your partner.
Honestly, let me put the barrier up so y'all can't see what we doing over here. I was trying to figure out, they didn't give us no spatula.
Okay, what kind of spatula you want? Like the frosting one?
We don't need wood, but
I got the. That's why I got these.
oh, perfect.
Pitiful.
Not pitiful.
I thought that's what you said.
Perfect. That's what you said. Right, you called us pitiful.
But
hold on, I just forgot about time. Wait a minute.
Oh gosh, we are in time.
Yes, y'all can't forget the timer. I'm gonna put it on this side, okay? Oh shit, we put some on the back. Yeah, hold it. Look, yeah.
Where the top fake is.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Sorry,
Chunky.
sabotage, right?
the door.
This got real messy. Okay.
Yeah. So at the bottom and the side.
That's damn pretty good, y'all.
Thank you. Thanks. don't
Mediocre.
don't be peeping. First of all, y'all pace is subpar right now.
Straight up. You over there chatting. The house calling.
Exactly.
Wait. Back up. This not working.
Because you can't get your icing on. Oh.
It got real messy.
Put both sides of the house at the same time.
What did you do for 30 minutes?
25, 20.
Wow.
We got 10 minutes left.
We gonna try it.
It's the sabotage for me. You knew what you was doing.
You said 25. You picked the time.
Did I?
The competition had to take a brief intermission.
They got the best out of our house.
But we back. And we going off over here, as y'all can see. I'm scared to turn it around.
Oh, the back look fire.
This is what the house is supposed to look like. This is how me and Nias is looking. Okay, the chimney, doorknob. This is what's happening over here.
That's a cheat.
This is crazy.
How you gonna show hours before we done?
We gonna give them some time.
So they call me.
You gonna make the caravan? You wanna just start again with the van?
Who?
Y'all.
We done. Now get hurry up and get this recorded.
It's already recorded. It's recording. Oh my god. She bad. Alright, y'all.
After all that work.
So y'all drop in the comments who would. House one. Or house two.
Yeah, house.
Wow.
Little rocks on our door.
Actually, it don't look bad at all.
I mean,
Y'all really just couldn't get it standing up.
Yeah, y'all icing.
Kyra's gonna pick the house he likes.
If you choose this one, we'll get
Kyra,
you
this one. Okay.
Which one you like?
The
Look.
sugar. This one. This one.
That is because it's close.
This one.
Wow. Look at that.
Oh my god. I'm done. Okay.
I think we know.
Well, that's it, y'all. The gingerbread contest has complete. Y'all drop a comment below. And we'll do a part 2 next year. Peace.
Peace.
Thank you.
Thank y'all. That was fun.
Ever.
We had a little bit of the advantage.
To be honest.
That's the effect.
I mean, y'all, you thought Auntie was gonna have the advantage.
I sure did.
I know
And,
she's
you know,
the creative one.
Making my life decision.
Hold on. This is a caravan or a camper, whatever you want to call it. This one seems a little bit easier than the one we just did because it has those little outlines on the cookies already. So I like that already. This one gonna be nice.
Yes. So we're gonna decorate this one and then we'll just come back and show y'all what it looked like. Okay.
Alright guys, Rand Dollas here in the Gingerbread house.
My side looks fire.
Does it?
That's the camper, y'all. Just like the picture.
Why are you showing that your side?
Look, spin it around. That thing gonna fall right over. Let's see. It's open roof,
On your
y'all,
side
because
doesn't
it's a
look
convertible. And it's the other side with no door. Look, you gotta point it out with no door. Oh my god.